welcome back. So today's video is going to be yet again another home decor haul. I have told you guys 1,000 times I am obsessed with home decor items, home decor shopping, anything that involves decorating a house or shopping for home decorations. It's like the love of my life. And we are also currently in the middle of redoing our kitchen, trying to switch some things out, add some new things, and just spruce it up just a little bit. So yet again, just like the last haul, if you guys didn't see it, I will have it pop up somewhere around on the screen. But just like the last haul, most of these items are also going to be kitchen type items. So that's going to be probably like 93% of this video. But I actually did a lot better this time with getting these things and filming it in a timely manner. So I haven't put any of these things out. I haven't used them yet. And that's a first for me. I think this might be the first video that I actually bought the things, came home, and filmed it without using them, setting it out, doing any of that. That's also why I'm currently sitting here filming this video, because I am in such a rush to go ahead and use these things, set them out. You guys know me. If you've been here for a while, you know how I do things. So without me rambling on anymore, we are just going to go ahead and get started. As always, I am going to try to remember the prices of these things and where I got them, just so I can let you know in case you're interested. If you want to go shop for the same thing, whatever it may be, I will try my best to include that, but sometimes it does slip my mind. But if I forget something, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and let me know down below. So we are going to start with the items that I probably have the most of, and that is going to be candles. You guys, I also have a candle obsession. I don't know what it is, but like I burn 7 candles throughout the house all day, every day. So of course they go quick and I always have to replace them. But even if I have candles that I'm currently burning or that's not burned down just yet, I'm still always on the hunt for the next one or to add to my stash. So ignore the amount of candles we have here, but let's go ahead and get through them. So I got 4 candles like this. These 2 are the same, but then I have 2 more that's like 2 other variations or 2 different scents. And all of these that I'm getting ready to show you came from Walmart, and they were in the clearance aisle. So they were on sale, and I believe they were $3. If not, a couple may have been $5, but I think they were mostly, if not all, $3. So I got 2 of this one. It's the same one. These are both sea salt and cypress. And they come in like this cute little like pastel green container or jar, whatever you want to call it. And this is the next one, just another candle from the Walmart clearance section. And this one comes in like a really pretty like beige type of container. And then this one here is just the last one. This is just white, a cute little white plain candle. Also, you guys, these... And also, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is the scents of them. So with the candles, in case you haven't noticed with the first set, I try to go with like very neutral colored candles. The scents really don't matter to me as long as they smell good, but I don't really go for a particular scent. I normally just go for the color of the candle or something that's going to tie in or go with my home. So for the most part, they're very neutral or pink, because I do have little accents of pink throughout the house. And I also have 3 more candles from Walmart, but these were not in the clearance aisle. These were not on sale. These were marked as regular price, and I think they were probably like $5. You guys, I'm just so terrible at trying to remember how much what was. But this one is white rose and peach. I got hazelnut cream, and it's a very pretty like brown neutral color, as I was saying. And then this is the little accent of pink that I was talking about. This is iced pound cake, and it's a pretty pink candle. And then this next candle here I actually got from TJMaxx, and it was on sale for $8. And this is just a juicy couture candle, and it's a Rosé Land. Okay, so that's all for the candles. And now we are going to jump into something that I actually got for the living room, because everything else I believe in this haul is all kitchen items. So for one, I got these white curtains at Rose's, and it's a set of 4, and they're not really sheer. Like most white curtains tend to be sheer, but these are like a little less see-through. But I just got these. I got these at Rose's, and I think they were probably like $17 or $18. And then I also picked up this set here, and they are gray with like some white in it. It kind of sort of matches like the pattern that's in my couch. You guys probably can't really pick it up, but these are 4 panels as well. And I was thinking of like pairing them together here in my living room because as you see, I have pink. So the pink ones I have on each end. And then in the middle, I have like a gray curtain with like silver flakes in it. And I don't really think it ties together my farmhouse look as much as I would like it to. So I'm going to try to switch it out and see how these would look in here. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the rest of this haul, which is all kitchen stuff. And I'm so excited because in my last haul, I was asking you guys for recommendations or where I could find some fabric or cloth napkins. And I finally found some. I got these at Ross for $8.99. You guys, it's a struggle trying to find fabric napkins, cloth napkins, whatever you call them, but it is so difficult to try to find these things, and I finally found them. I have a set of 8 here, which I only really need 4 because I only have 4 chairs at my table and 4 napkin holders. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the extras, save them in case the other ones get stained or something. I don't know. But I got these, and they're just like plain white little napkins, and they got like little stitching in it. I think these are cute, and I cannot wait to put these in my Better Homes and Gardens little like bamboo wicker, I don't know what you call it, but you guys, I will have a picture posted on social media somewhere, Snapchat, Facebook, something. But you guys, I cannot wait to see how this looks. Also, you guys, in my last haul, I was showing you guys the Better Homes and Gardens plates that I got, like the white rectangle platters that I got for plates. And I was talking about how I had a set of 4 of them. I actually got 4 more, so I have a set of 8. But I was also mentioning the fact that they had these big white bowls that I wanted, but I couldn't find enough to actually get a whole set. And I actually finally found them. I went to 2 different Walmarts, and between the 2, I finally got 8. And these are the bowls. Like I said, they are Better Homes and Gardens. One of my dearest obsessions, and like, I'm in love. But anyways, these are the bowls. Aren't they like beautiful? Like, they're not like your typical bowl, not your typical size, like not your typical shape. And I absolutely love it because they are just as different as the plates that I decided to use. So we've got these, and I forgot how much these were. I think these were like $8 each, and I have a set of 8 of them now. And another thing that I am very excited about is yet again another Better Homes and Gardens product or whatever, but these, I have been on the lookout for wine glasses like this for the longest time. Now I just need to get, because I have my pink ones, I have these. Now I need to get the stemless ones, but I really want like the big like fish bowl looking ones. I will know them when I see them. I don't even know what brand they are, to be honest. I've just seen pictures of them, and I know them when I see them. So I'm on the hunt for those next. But we have these, and I really like these because the shape is so different. It's not like a typical wine glass. So I'm in love with these. I had to have them, and they are going to go great with my dishes. I can't wait. I cannot wait, you guys. I'm about to start having dinner parties or something because somebody needs to see all of this effort and everything that I put into tying together like my whole like dinner scheme vision. Like, tell me these don't look so cute with the platters in the last video, the bowls in this one, and this. Like, I'm in love. And then the next thing that I got is just a regular little electric can opener because I have been using the hand twisted one for so long and I'm sick of it. It, like, me and these cans be fighting every time I try to open one. So I don't think I've ever used an electric can opener ever in my life. So it's going to be a chore to try to figure this out. But hopefully it won't be that hard, you guys. I don't know. Don't judge me. But we got this. And now we are going to move on to the last thing that I'm going to include in this haul. And probably yet again another thing that I am most excited for. And that is this set of knives and the little knife block thing. So in the last video, I told you guys that I really want the Paris Hilton one. It's got the pink knives and the wooden heart-shaped block that holds the knives. It's out of stock everywhere I can try to find it. So I settled for this. Once again, as I said earlier, pink is one of the accent colors that I have in my home. So there's a little touch of pink everywhere just to add a little color. And it's my favorite color. So, and not only that, but the wood here ties into the wood that I have in my kitchen already. The little wood look that I have going on everywhere else. It ties in with the little farmhouse, the country look, all of that, all the fun stuff. So we have these as well, and I'm so excited. I also don't remember how much these were, but this is everything that it comes with, and they're so cute, and I cannot wait to start cooking and using these. So that is pretty much it for today's haul, you guys. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and leave me your comments down below until my next video. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. As you see, I film and upload randomly, and I also have all types of content, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. And as usual, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.